What's up, guys? Today we're taking my cat for a walk. Are you ready for this walk, cat? Fist bump, bro. Sick, dude. Let's go on this walk. All right, little kitty catter, are you ready for this walk, bro? Come on, dude. Let's go. It's go time. Oh, dude, my cat and I, walks are our favorite. Look at that. Come on, kitter catter. Come on, I don't pay you for nothing. Walk with me. Come on. Kitter catter, listen. Come back, stop. Why are you doing this? I literally paid you to be on my show and you're not doing it with me? What is this? Fun fact, he's 23 pounds. This big cutie he's not, we love each other very much. We don't struggle ever. We are each other's favorites. Ladies and gentlemen, this is not a drill, there is an emergency. He has moved. He's moved under here. There he is. The wild beast. He is here. He is scared. Hey. Oh my gosh, he's in spider web. Get out of there! Come here, baby. Come on, get her. Come on. Dude, you're in spider webs. Come, Rebel. Stop being so stubborn. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh my gosh! Rebel, are you alive? Are you still alive? Rebel? Oh my gosh, she's alive. Rebel, get out of there. Rebel, get out of there. Rebel, get out of there. Oh, I'm gonna have to give you a bath. Get out. Come on, I'll let you in. I'm sorry. This is the end for me, isn't it? Yeah. No! Rebel, listen here. Come on, I need you to work with me. Hey, I'm gonna touch you. Okay, come on, Rebel. Oh, please, come on. Okay, come on. Good boy. Oh, good boy. Yeah. Oh, that was so good. You're so good. Somebody decided to go into spider webs. That was you. You are somebody. Have the spider webs out. Got the spider webs out. Open your mouth. They were on your nose too. Your cute little boopity doopity nose. All right, thank you for being in my show and making it entertaining.